Hello, 18 believers. It's Christine Eiler. Happy Tuesday. Today's Tip Tuesday is advertising in your front yard. You can put a shepherd's hook to hook your brochures in the bags that we can get through Avon. These are called clear brochure bags. They are a total of 50 for 80 cents. You cannot go wrong. They come in so handy for even when you're giving out orders with just a lipstick tube or glimmer stick. Throw your bags together with the glimmer stick and the brochure and you're good to go for 80 cents for 50. Also for when you're passing out brochures or hanging them on a shepherd's hook. So I will also show you a video how to tuck the brochures. I do tuck the brochures into a bag. So each one of these brochures actually has two bags. I have one that is wrapped around the brochure that's tucked, and then I have one that is the hanging bag. So in case it rains, it's protecting the brochure, and they are going to get a nice dry book, or if you're not home to grab them off the hook when it starts raining, you can arrive home and grab them at that time. You got some saved books inside because they were tucked. So I'll show you how to tuck those books. But this is a simple little shepherd's hook. You can get it anywhere that carries plants. This is to hang your plants, but we hang Avon. And then a sign. And the signs you can find at multiple different advertisement locations online, including Vistaprint, which we have just conjoined with. You get a discount and also free shipping on $50 or more with your order. So be sure to check out the Avon perks and the information on the Vistaprint specials that you can receive. I also have some information on our team page, the 18 believers as well in regards to that. So I want to show you really quickly how I tuck the books. Don't mind, it's actually a Halloween demo of the brochure for when you tuck the books for your trick-or-treaters. And this is just a tool on showing you how to tuck them and then put them into another bag to hang. So this is going to give you the idea of how to do so. So here we go.
Hand out candy and you are able to provide a brochure. You can provide the business card, the Be a Smarty, host a book party, and the Smarty along with your brochure wrapped in our nice literature bags. The literature bags are 50 clear bags for a total of 80 cents. You can order those on youravon.com and they protect and keep your books nice and prevented from damage from the wind or from the rain. I just wanted to show you really quickly how I tuck these bags. So you do put it in spine down into the bag, and it is a little bit of a challenge sometimes to get it down in there, but it does fit. Once you get it in there and all of your materials in the front, then you are going to take and tuck the top part into the center of the book, and that will seal it off so you have a nice weatherproofed book and your candies and materials. So
I hope that made sense. You just put it spine down in your literature bags, and then you are going to tuck the top into the pages of the brochure so that it keeps it wrapped, and you are going to have a nice secure brochure so that no rain or wind can damage it. As you can see, then what I do is I take that and I put it face up, so the tuck side is right here, and then I put them on the hook with another bag. So 2 bags per book, just to prevent for rain. If you're going to be home, you know the weather's beautiful, you don't have to double bag, but if you have a feeling that there might be some weather coming your way, I always double bag them. So I have a pile that are double bagged and I have a pile that are not double bagged, so that if I'm home and available to grab them off the hook really quickly, I'm good to go. If I leave and I think the weather's going to change, I just convert them out and then I put the double bagged ones there. So if you guys have any questions, please reach out. Please also verify if this is allowed in your community. There are a lot of associations that don't allow any of these signs or any kind of advertisements or solicitation advertisement in your yard due to the association rules. And then there also is guidelines through your cities as well. So please check with your city hall, see if there is any restrictions or if there is a certain amount that you have to pay to advertise in your yard as well. All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this tip. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later. Happy Tip Tuesday, guys. Have a great day.